What's up, everybody? Back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted anything on my car, but I think it's a good time now to kind of revisit what happened since I went and posted all those parts I was putting together, and I was dropping off my car to get to the shop to get boosted. So now that the car is put together, it's running, it's been tuned, so that's, you know, exciting. I haven't driven it that much since I've gotten it from the shop. I've added a few extra parts, but so far it's working out pretty good. I'm happy with how it turned out. So let's get to it, guys. All right, so first off, shout out to Gonzivo for the turbo kit. He did a really good job on fabricating everything and making sure everything is nice and neat. The welds look nice. The whole kit just looks really nice. So shout out to Gonzivo, and shout out to Diaz Works, Mr. Christian. He did a good job on, again, just piecing the kit together and installing all the necessary parts to make the car run. He pretty much did all the, you know, the fuel, the whole fuel return system. He hooked up the turbo. So all those miscellaneous parts that you guys saw in my last video that I posted, he put it all together. So right now it's running good. Some few bugs I still got to work out, but you know, I think in due time it'll be exactly where I want it to be. And right now it's almost there, but there are a few things, so I'll mention that in the video right now. But let's just start out, guys. So I mean, first things first, man. Look at these brakes. I was happy to pick up these 6-pot front brakes with these massive rotors. Actually, you know what? I think it's the same size as the Akibonos. Either it's 14 or I believe 15 from Rolloface. So if you guys are local to SoCal, these guys are located out of Riverside, and it's quality calipers and brake systems. So I decided to go ahead and upgrade my brakes. I don't think I'll be street racing or anything like that, but it's nice to have, I guess, in your back pocket, right? So let's move it on. Just got a car wash, so I kind of wanted to do the video after I get the car wash. Right now it's pretty clean. I keep it in the garage, so you know the paint stays nice and clean for the most part. For all you guys that got garage parking, you guys know how it is. You know, your car stays nice and clean. But yeah, guys, it's here. The car's boosted. I probably put, I don't know, 200 miles, 250 miles since it's been boosted. And then I added the brakes. And as you can tell, then just looking inside, you got the gauges set up. I still need to hook up the oil pressure. So that's one thing that the little things I still got to do. Let's see, let's pop the hood, huh? Well, let's just get an outside view first. So what's up, everybody? Back to the channel. Want to just first off say thank you guys for tuning in and kind of checking out what the new content I have. I think I'll start recording more a little bit, you know, get some more videos, some point of view driving, just things of that nature. So I think you guys can appreciate that. But there it is. So once again, just a few things I still want to fix. Man, this color is just, I mean, I want to wrap the car, but at the same time I kind of fall in love with the color all over again, you know. I don't really see this color often in my area anyways. I mean, shoot, SoCal's full of sedans, but this OEM color, I just think it really sets off with the carbon fiber. Anyways, moving on. You guys know what it is. I got these beautiful Nismo seats. I got a lot of things to finish up in this car, man. Obviously the interior, I gotta do my roof, the pillars, all that cool stuff. Probably gonna take out this carpet. I'm not really a fan of those. I just kind of threw those in. I gotta kind of fix this to be the right way. There you go. There you go. So anyways, guys, kind of just enjoying the car right now, you know. I haven't had it back from the shop that long. It was away for a good 4 months or so. So I've been having it, been trying to drive it more often, but I got nowhere to go, so I'm just not gonna get in my car and just drive. But if I do hit up the shows and stuff, that'll probably be later. But yeah, I'm not really into all that. I kind of just like having the car for myself. So yeah, a few things. Still got to clean the engine bay up. You can tell it's a little bit dusty. Big ass turbo. Yeah, right. I wish it was a big ass turbo. Car's running good. Haven't had any issues yet ever since taking it back from the shop, so that's a good thing.